Today we are diving into a comprehensive review of Vivid Money in 2025, a digital banking platform that has been gaining significant traction across Europe and beyond. Vivid Money positions itself as more than just a bank account. It is designed for both personal and business users, combining traditional banking services with investment opportunities and cashback rewards, all within one intuitive app. The first aspect to highlight is the account structure. Vivid Money offers a multi-currency account that allows users to hold and transact in multiple currencies seamlessly. This is especially useful for frequent travelers or those who engage in international business. The app supports major currencies such as euros, US dollars, and British pounds, providing real-time exchange rates with minimal fees. Users can make domestic and international transfers quickly, and the platform emphasizes transparency in its pricing, which reduces hidden charges often seen in traditional banking. Beyond standard banking, Vivid Money integrates investment options directly into the app. Users can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies without needing a separate brokerage account. The investment interface is straightforward, with clear performance metrics, risk indicators, and market data, making it accessible even to beginners. This feature positions Vivid Money not only as a banking solution but also as a financial growth tool. Cashback and rewards are another standout feature. Vivid Money offers cashback on certain categories of spending, including online purchases and specific partner merchants. Users can track these rewards in real time, redeem them for investments, or transfer them to their account balance. These incentives add practical value and make everyday spending more rewarding. Security and user experience are also key strengths. The app utilizes advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and real-time transaction alerts to ensure account safety. The interface is user-friendly, with clean navigation and customizable settings, making it easy to manage finances efficiently. Overall, Vivid Money in 2025 presents a solid digital banking option that combines flexibility, investment opportunities, and real-world rewards. Its multi-currency capabilities, integrated investment tools, and focus on user security make it a strong contender in the fintech space.